taking action. While they're preoccupied with me, I'm tirelessly striving. I'm pushing my limits, advancing to the next level. Let them gossip. I'll keep working. Let them disparage. I'll keep grinding. They can focus on everything else, and I'll stay focused on my goals. Eventually, they'll see there's nothing left to criticize, and by then, I'll have won. Those who doubted me thought they had won. Those who said I'd never achieve anything believed they had defeated me, but I use their doubt as fuel, their disbelief as energy. I keep a mental list of these naysayers for the times I lack motivation, and I use their words to push myself further. Instead of responding with kindness, I choose to succeed massively. Yes, I dream. I dream because many have stopped dreaming, but I won't. I'll get up, dress up, show up, and do what I'm meant to do. I'll be what I'm destined to be. I'll have everything I've worked for, and prove wrong everyone who tried to break me. I'll show up those who tried to stop me, those who tried to kill my dreams. Being different means facing criticism and opposition. It means being misunderstood by the ordinary. Being unique means dealing with attempts to block your path and conspiracies against you. Never feel guilty for your blessings when you've worked hard for them. While others chose leisure and parties, I chose to work in the heat, practice, and focus on my goals. You see my luxury, my success, and I've earned it all. Keep your negative comments to yourself, because I can't remember the last time a hater's words kept me up at night. Ignore the noise. Embrace the dislike. It means you're doing something right. Build a core so strong that no one's opinion can shake you. Don't let the fear of criticism prevent you from living a life that will make history. Opinions are everywhere, but they shouldn't stop you from creating a legacy.